This is the dam that we can't get over, so this is as far as we're going. Welcome to Bala, everybody. All of a little downtown. Kind of cool.
There's that placard there in the back. We can probably get it from that end.
All right, well, let's go down over there and see if we can get a better angle of this. Hey, look, there's acorns. So that's what's stopping us. So we're just parked right up, kind of just around the corner there. I think that's pretty much going to be it. I'll probably head back to Cedars and we shall see. Kind of a beautiful day though. The sun's out. Amazing fall colors. It's a good time. It's a good time. Alright. Let's figure out what we're doing and we'll go from there. Sure. As I fall in. Alright guys, well this is why you gotta keep your eyes up when you're out on the water, because you could come across a tree that's just floating in it. Look at that. That will cause you some problems. That's been out here for a while too. Okay. Yeah, that would mess you up pretty good. You hit that at some speed, yikes. No fun for you that day. So again, that's why I always keep your head up, keep looking out for these kind of things, eh? So it's not like it just broke off. It's out here. So anyways guys, this is the rest of the view. Like absolutely beautiful. Little islands everywhere. Beautiful day. All the fall colors. And it looks like there's like a little island up ahead. It's just like a seagull freaking resting spot. So I'm gonna try and get to that and see what that looks like. You can see this is probably like where all the birds in the summertime hang out and stuff like that. And look, there's even nests on it. I don't know if you can see the nest. Let me see if I can get a little bit closer. But there's like nests right there in those trees there. I don't know if you guys can see it, but just at the base of all those trees are like nests that they've used. Kinda cool. I'm assuming they'd be like osprey nests, but I could be completely wrong. Yeah, like I don't know if you can see this, but right up there, it's like osprey nests. Well, I keep saying osprey nests. I could be wrong. All right, guys, well, that's pretty much it for this season. So just took the Sea-Doo out for the last time up here in Gravenhurst. It was an amazing season. I can't thank you guys enough for all the support that you've been giving me through the year. We really built this channel out quite a bit, so thank you again so much for that. I appreciate it. I also just want to say, you know, thank you for all the likes, the comments, and definitely for subscribing. I appreciate that. So hope you guys enjoyed this summer on the water with the GTX 155 from Sea-Doo and myself. So until you see me again, be safe out on the water, have a lot of fun. Thanks again for everything this year. Till the next one, peace.